हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिप्टो लाइफ। तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं बफ सेंटा टोकन के बारे में। तो इसकी जो वेबसाइट है, इसका लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, buffsenta.io। तो इसके बारे में आज बात करेंगे बफ सेंटा। तो बफ सेंटा टू द मून ऑन द आर। तो इसके बारे में आज आपको मैं कंप्लीट जानकारी दूंगा कि ये कैसा टोकन है और अपने इसको कैसे बाय करना है और आप इससे कैसे रिवॉर्ड हासिल कर सकते हैं। तो आज आपको कंप्लीट डिटेल में देने वाला हूं। तो विद बिग एम्फेसिस ऑन गिफ्ट्स एंड चैरिटी, बफ सेंटा इज द न्यू एंड स्ट्रॉन्गर प्लेयर इन द हाइपर डिफरेंशिएटेड टोकन गेम। With our double burn features and point ton tokenomics created only to boost holders' gains and excitement, check out our detailed white paper for more juicy details. Welcome to the sly header of your life. Ho ho ho! And their contact address is also given. You can go and buy this token, and their official Twitter and their Twitter Telegram account is also given. Now we talk about their airdrop. Airdrop is live now. White paper and Telegram official is given. So we will also read the white paper of this token, and then there is buff token logo. You can see that logo. It's highly motivating and highly energetic. Buff Santa is very energetic. This Santa is very energetic. Let's talk about its tokenomics. Tokenomics, you can see supply is 1 trillion. Charity, we aim to do community based charities. Charity is even for children in many regions of the world. They are doing charity. Charity is the main character of the token, so it is a charity based token too. Liquidity pool, let's see its liquidity pool is 4% of the tax is applied to grow the liquidity pool, so maintain the liquidity in their token. Rewards will be 4% to the every transaction is distributed to the holders. Marketing 3% towards the marketing wallets. Burn 1% of each transaction gets burned. Manual burn, Buff Santa will conduct surprise burns. Then now we see manual burn table. First is 50 million, second is 125 million, third will be 375 million, fourth will be 1 billion, fifth will be 3 billion, sixth will be 10 billion, 7th will be 30 billion, 8th will be 90 billion, 9th will be 250 billion, 10th will be 1 trillion, 11th will be 2.5 trillion, 12th will be 7 trillion, 13 will be 20 trillion, 4th will be 50 trillion, and 15 will be 100 trillion. Then now we see its roadmap. Stage 1 will be smart contract, BSC launch, planning, charity, build, community airdrop and gifts, pre-sale launch and liquidity logged, CG and CMC principles spreading awareness. In stage 2, build more hype, community charity voting, third party audit, reaching out to the influencers, promotions and marketing, reaching out to the YouTubers. So making their videos and making the marketing is the main concept of our token. In a stage 3, Buff Santa going viral, realize charity, huge community and many holders, high market cap, big reflections and low circulating supply. How to buy this coin? To buy this coin, create a wallet. We recommend a Trust wallet. I have a Trust and a MetaMask. I will show you how you can buy this coin. Download the Trust wallet app, set it and you are ready to go. Send BNB to your wallet. So send BNB from Binance and Ether Exchange wallet to your wallet. You can send BNB to your Trust wallet. Then you should swap BNB to the Buff Santa. Connect your wallet to the Pancake Swap DApps menu and swap your BNB to the Buff Santa by using the contact address given. So you need to copy the contact address and then swap your BNBs to the Buff Santa. Remember to set the slippage of 12%. This is the main. So gain the gallery. These are the peaks. You can see Buff Santa is here. The more energetic, the big coin is coming here. So fact and quiz, when and where the Buff Santa will launch. So all the details are given in the questions below. Your questions will be asked you in the comment sections. Join our community. Twitter, Telegram, Facebook and Reddit is also given. Let's check them. Their audits is SF audit and Certic is also audit. So let's check about their white paper. And now we go to the how to buy this coin. You need I already told you how you can buy this. This is the main point. Now I will take you their memes. Let's check about some memes of this token. So you can see to the moon. These are some memes of this token. Let's see going to the moon. So this token is ready to going to the moon. So don't worry about buying this coin. Go and buy now this coin. This coin is going to be the huge coin in the market. Its value will be going to be big. So buy now and don't try to